Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your boy back again with another DIY. So today we're going to be changing some filters in the truck. I have a 2019 Freightliner Cascadia. There's going to be 4 filters that I'm changing today, and I know for a fact there's 3 of these filters that 90% of drivers have not changed in their truck. So let's get what's up. So these are the filters we're going to be changing. This one right here is for the Incab, but this one is going to be under the hood. I'm going to show you guys where that is at. This one right here is going to be for your APU. If this is too long when you get it, you can also cut it to let it fit. And then these 2 right here, this one is going to be for Incab also. They're both the same. These 2 are the same. But one is going to go under your dash where the fuse box is, and the next one is going to go beside your bed. Way at the bottom, and I'll show you guys where that's at. So let's get at it, guys. This is the first one that we're gonna get done. I'm gonna show you where this one goes. So we just open the engine, and it's right here, guys. See the sign right here that says open? You're gonna slide it down. You're gonna put some pressure on it, slide it down, pull it out. There you go. That's the first filter right here. And you guys might get a screwdriver to help you take it out, but I'm throwing it away anyway, so it really doesn't matter. There you go, guys. This needs to go, and then we're gonna get a new one out, and we're gonna slide that one in, and we're good to go. All right, guys, getting the new one. Look at that baby, beautiful, just clean. All right. As you can see the end right here, we're just gonna slide it right in, and it's that simple, guys. I'm just gonna put this right back here, and we just slide it up, and that's it, bro. That's it. The first one is completed. On to the next one. All right, guys, so we're back inside the truck. So this is gonna be the second one. This is where the fuse box is. You can see the sign here that says pull. You're gonna pull this off. Comes off super easy. There we go. And then here's the next filter, is right down here. All we're gonna do is just pull it out. There we go. So we're gonna be changing this one. And keep your windows down when you're doing this, guy, because these things are dusty. And get some wipes, wipe down all of these stuff, and replace it. So let's get to that, guys. So we wiped it down, get all of the dirt and stuff. Don't use anything dry. Always get something moist, like some baby wipes, because when you use this dry stuff to wipe it down, the dust is gonna go everywhere. So we have that one out. We're gonna put this one in, clean, fresh, brand new. You're just gonna slide it right in. Simple and easy. That right there. That's 2 filters changed in a matter of 1 minute, guys. Let's go for the next one. So, all right, guys, we're coming to the third one. Open up the other packet already. It's gonna be the same, just like the second one we just did. Got the wipes here, because I guarantee you when I pull this off, it is going to be messy. So this is a compartment that we're gonna pull off. And there you go, guys. Told you this thing is messy. I'm gonna wipe all of this down, and then here is the other filter right there. All you gotta do is just take it out and put the next one in. I'm gonna get all of this cleaned up, take that one out, put the next one in. Alright, guys, got it all wiped down, cleaned up, got my toothbrush, used it to clean off this as much as possible, and I have these paintbrushes I use whenever I want to get into small spaces clean, especially on my dash. So just use this real quick. All right, so now we're gonna take out the old one back here. There we go. It's time for this bad boy to go. You can see garbage right there, and then we're gonna just slide in the new one. This one, guys, when you're putting it in, you want to put it in from the back first and then push the front down, because trust me, you have to get your hand all the way up in there to get it down. All right, okay, there we go, guys. The new one is fully in, and then you can snap this back on. Simple. So that's the third one. Let's get on to the fourth one. All right, guys, so the next one is going to be under your bunk. We're going to raise this up, then we'll see where the APU filter is put at. All right, so let's get at it. All right, guys, so here we at. So I have a 2018 Cascadia, so mine's might be set up a little bit different. So my filter is going to be right in here. I've not opened this in a long time. This is my cleaning kit. All right, let's open this bad boy up. Take off the top, and there's a filter. And as I said, if the filter is too long, you can always cut the filter to make sure it fits. So we're gonna get this one out, measure it up with this one, and then we'll cut it from there if it needs to. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it about right here. So there we go, guys, simple and easy. Just match it up to it and cut it. So this is the new one. Now we're just gonna slide it in. So you just want to reach at the back of it and make sure it's not hidden on the edge going down. So it's all snugged in, guys. Quick, simple, and easy. This is how the inside of it looks. Inside of the cover looks. The filter fits right in this groove. So when you're putting it on, you want to put the back of it on first, so the filter comes forward in it. That's simple, guys. Just changed 4 filters in your truck in under 5 minutes. Quick, simple, and easy. Well, a little bit over 5 minutes, because we have to stop and wipe the stuff down. And that's it, guys. There we go. All right, guys, so that's it. 4 filters changed in under 5 minutes. Super easy. You can do this yourself, guys. If you have any ideas and any DIYs, leave me a comment and let me see what I can do. But super easy, guys. Change those. I guarantee you, turn your AC on, way of a difference. But thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys in the next one. Your boy Strap TG, we out.